Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Secure hosting with HTTPS and an API endpoint that accepts requests. Once done, fetch your API key and the client SDK. Keep credentials out of public code. Next, create a minimal HTML container and a JavaScript entry file for the chat widget. You move fast. Implement a secure server-side proxy to hold secrets, then wire the front end to send user messages to that proxy. This avoids exposing keys and sets the stage for live interaction. Now build the middle plumbing. Implement the chat UI with an input box, message list, and a typing indicator so users feel engaged. Next, connect the front end to your server proxy using fetch for request/response or WebSocket for streaming. Once connected, parse partial responses and render them incrementally to reduce perceived latency. Make sure to include message ID, timestamps, and basic sanitization. Finally, implement retry logic and rate limiting to protect the API and keep the finish by adding session persistence and authentication so conversations are consistent and secure. Once done, instrument analytics and logs to measure usage and errors, and deploy your rate limits and quotas. Verify UX details. Scroll to bottom, message edits, and clear error states. If something goes wrong, check the proxy logs first. A common issue is an expired API key or CORS misconfiguration. Make sure to surface a friendly retry button for users while you fix backend errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.